welcome back to my channel, and like I had promised you,
welcome back to my channel. திருப்பி வீடியோ பண்றியா பாக்யம்?
Anna, you are not required in this video, Anna, because this video is very special for me.
Why is it special for you?
Because today I'm going to speak to you all about my favorite thing. There has been something that I have been crazy about since my childhood, and I am a collector for that particular thing.
Oh, that is why you have kept all these sarees here.
Correct.
I thought you were going to sell it online.
High
You have
expectations.
so many sarees. I am shocked.
High expectations. But do you know anything about these sarees?
No, I do
So
not know.
just to inform you that these are not just sarees.
Okay.
They are mainly sarees that I have collected. So I am a collector for sarees.
Okay.
And today I'm going to discuss with you all, or basically just tell you all what is special about each saree that
Me
I
or
have.
the viewers?
I think you also need to know about it, wouldn't you?
Okay, let us see.
So
And maybe I can guess what saree it is, and you can just show it to me.
let us see. Initially I thought I'll keep him out of this video, but then he's ended up coming into it.
Yeah, popular demand.
Said it is popular enough.
Your friends only keep telling me, when are you going to make a video with Bhakyam? When are you going to make a video with Bhakyam?
Anyways, now getting right into the video. Before that, what do you have to say?
Like, share, subscribe, and click the bell icon. Ding, ding, ding.
Correct. So let me position the whole thing and let's get into the video right away. So basically guys, what I do is I try to collect sarees from different regions of our country, because we are so blessed with such a variety of culture that we have silks from the north to the south. Now I have not obviously managed to get all the sarees. I hope he gets the hint. But I would like...
Mariam, that hint won't work.
You never know. But I would like to share with you the sarees that I have, mainly silk.
Silk.
So to begin with, the first saree that I had got over here along with me post marriage was this wonderful yellow and red Assam silk. It's an Assam silk saree and it's extremely lightweight. It looks very heavy, but it is very lightweight, and this is the color my mother-in-law just went crazy about, and that's when she developed a liking for Assam silk, and I ended up gifting her an Assam silk for an occasion in the house.
That was Appa's 60th birthday.
Correct. And would you like to continue? What happened after that?
This is yellow dirty fellow. I don't like this color.
So, what did you do?
So what did I do? I bought her a grey and black Assam silk.
Okay, I won't call it grey and black. To get into the details, because at that time there was one saree for my mother-in-law bought. Arvind came up with an idea of gifting another saree to me, because he also really liked the concept of Assam silk. And also in this video, I'm going to tag the websites which are directly linked to the weavers. So you can buy the saree directly from weavers, because it helps us even encourage the weavers and help them further. And not just that, we get a good price for it because it is directly from them, and the quality is something that you can promise about. So let me pull out the saree he got for me.
What is the age of this saree? You can tell them.
The age of this saree is now 10 years. This is exactly got when my sister was pregnant with her first baby. So yeah.
Then it was with 12 years.
So this is what he picked for me.
Grey and black.
Actually, the speciality was the website that he picked it from. They make sarees. As like I told you, they are weavers. So they weave the sarees. So this is the color combination he requested. Can you hold it on that side for me? So this is the saree.
More than happy to help you.
And
But I don't like folding sarees or folding.
let me show you the pallu of this saree.
She's going to open up the entire saree.
No, I won't. So this is the pallu. It is a black saree, and
Why is it called the pallu?
it is the the North Indian Hindi word for kalapam.
Talappu.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is a silver,
Talappu
not a
means
grey.
color of the saree.
Actually,
All
and
of the saree.
what I love about this saree is it is metallic. It is not like just a shimmer or just a glitter or something. It is a completely metallic saree. So honestly, he had got it for me to get it stitched into a dress, but I love to drape it as a saree because it gives a very gown kind of a look to me. So
See an
moving on.
architect's choice and see her choice.
That is not my choice. That's my mom's choice. I don't think you should speak further.
Don't tell your mom. We'll edit this, okay?
Another. So this is the yellow saree which I draped during Navratri, and the grey and black during Diwali. From the eastern part is Andhra. So this was a sari that was bought for me from his parents for my engagement. So like you know in
That is
Indian
for our
rituals,
engagement.
yeah, in rituals they have to give a sari to the daughter-in-law. So this is that sari. It's a Upada silk sari which comes in Andhra. It's very famous in Andhra. Now this is a very tricky color. They call it honey color.
I have no idea.
Yeah, so it is a
I was
very
sitting in
tricky
the
color.
car with my parents.
So I don't know. It's got red threads in it, and it has got golden in it, and it has got green threads also.
Yeah, I don't know.
So yeah, it's a lovely mixed two-tone kind of a sari.
Clearly, I should not be in this video.
I don't think so. It's okay. You also get knowledge of it, right?
But what do I do?
So this is an Upada silk from Assam. Sorry, see, this is an Upada silk from Hyderabad.
Andhra Pradesh.
Yeah.
Now Telangana.
From where in Hyderabad did you get it? Can you tell them?
No, I have no clue.
You had gone to the shop.
Yeah, but I did not go inside the shop.
Yeah, but you must be knowing the name of the shop, right?
I need to check it later.
And this is another simple silk sari which I wore on my engagement day from my side, and this is a basic red and green combination, normal combination. But what I like about it is the combination,
Yeah, I
the
must
green
say,
and
you look
red.
very beautiful on that.
Yeah, so it like makes me look very nice, and I love it. It's a Kalaniketan sari. You get it. Kalaniketan is quite a brand. Everybody knows. So this I have pulled from my archive. The engagement two saris. First one which was the red and green, and the other was the Upada silk which I repeated in my brother's engagement. I'm not sure how clear the sari is seen in this picture though. So coming down from Andhra, the state which is superly popular for its saris, that is Tamil Nadu, and I have a variety of saris I can show you from there. So my favorite est sari is something that I had bought in Bombay from a place called Co-op Tex, which is very popular because it's a government body, right, which sells Kanjivaram sari. And this is the sari which I have put my eye on. So this is a chocolate brown sari. Normal Kanjivaram, no it is not. It is a net sari with Kanjivaram work, which I found very unique when I had seen it. Let me
Net means mosquito net?
see, I'll just pull it out and show it to you. So if you can see, this is an entire net sari. So you can see through it. Let me put my hand in. So this is the net part of it. And the net they have done Kanjivaram work. So I was pretty surprised at this kind of a sari. And anyways, chocolate brown, as he discovered, is my favorite test color. I love the color chocolate brown.
And she loves chocolate.
I guess that's why I like chocolate brown. So it is not black, it is not the normal brown, but it is a beautiful color. So the speciality of this particular Kanjivaram sari is it is a net sari. Then the next sari, Kanjivaram sari, that I would like to show you here is, it was very popular when it came in, and my mother just wanted me to have one. And wherever she could get it, she was fine.
What
And
is this?
This is the famous Jyotika pink sari. I know right now it looks more darker in pink due to the camera and the light, but it's a very baby pink with golden work. If I don't know how many of you all are familiar, there's an actress in the south called Jyotika, and in her wedding, she had worn this particular sari with this combination. So it is known as a Jyotika sari. The other popular saris in down south is in their Kanjivarams is two-toned Kanjivaram saris. I've noticed that this is very famous when it comes to Kanjivaram, that they have like two shades and it comes across as a particular color, but you know when you walk and you turn, it gives another shade. So again, it is my wedding sari. So I picked this up from Co-op Tex only. So this is
Did you wear
the
this?
pallu.
in the wedding?
Take a guess.
Okay, I need to visit the video.
And inside it is a blue and green combination sari. It's a two-tone sari. It's quite a heavy sari. Again pulled out from the archives, the net Kanjivaram sari, the pink Jyotika sari, and the two-toned orange border sari. I also have a Kerala sari which I didn't open and show, but this is the image. So this is a Paithani which my sister bought me from the place where they weave Paithani saris, and that is Yevla in Paithan in Maharashtra. So this is the sari. Let us use him as a model since he's there.
No, you use it for yourself.
And so this is the body of the sari.
So
It has
is this also
bulldars.
two-tone?
This is not exactly two-tone. The speciality of this color is apparently, since my mom is a Maharashtrian, she said that this is the shade in which they had weaved the first paithani.
No, I do not
So,
understand.
the first ever paithani that was weaved in this color.
This color.
Yeah, this color combination basically.
So you've got the first time.
And it has got a very heavy pallu and it has got a peacock pattern. And it is not as heavy as those kanjivarams.
I don't understand why they don't use teeth in pattern.
Yeah, because apparently in...
I know you're going to edit on it.
What if I don't? I'm looking for an occasion ever since to drape, and my sister is not very happy about it because she had got this sari as a special gift for me. Mysore silk sari, and this has come down from my grandmother-in-law. So his father's mother. She had a beautiful collection of saris, and she was crazy about saris. And she asked me to pull out anything that I wanted from her collection, and this is one of the saris that I pulled out. Mysore silks are very simple, but their speciality is that they are very Western saris. Like if you drape a Mysore silk, you don't need to be very traditional with it.
No,
You
I did not understand what is Western about the sari. Sari itself is actually an Indian tradition.
Exactly. So a Western sari is basically, this can be actually
From
worn
Maharashtra.
in a way where it looks like a frock or a gown, or this can be worn with a Western shirt or a blouse, something that is very very Western. So this doesn't give a very ethnic feel. So that is the beauty of this. Even though it is highly ethnic, it doesn't give that feel of an ethnic sari. And most of the Mysore silks are like this. So they have a very simple border. They have a very simple.
You have one more,
pallu.
no? Green color. So
This is very close to my heart is because I got it from your party. And this is a sari which came in, it's a Mysore silk. It came in as a gift to my mother-in-law, and she has been a darling, as you all know, and she gave it down to me because she knows that I love saris like this.
I didn't get a
So
picture of me in the
gave me
blue
this that I
sari,
like.
but
It's
this
a
is the
simple
green Mysore
sari.
silk.
This is a sari. This is a, I won't say a fake paithani, but it is a cheaper version of the same paithani. This I got it as a gift in my wedding, in my brother's wedding, and nobody would ever say that this is for the price that I got it for. So this is a beautiful sari.
what is the price?
I don't think we should say that. I can put the link from where I bought it, so you guys can go and check out that web page and buy something that you like. They've got an amazing collection. I ended up buying, like, I think for the wedding, all the gifting saris came from there.
All the Paitanis have to speak of what do they call this? Artwork.
Motifs?
Yeah.
Actually, no. Paithanis have got literally only three main motifs that are original Paithani would have.
Peacock.
One is a peacock, one is a lotus,
Oh, lotus. Not
and one is a parrot.
parrot.
So these are the three main
So
things
this
that
is
they
the
need
Gujarati
for-
style displaying the pallu, and then this is the normal drape of the sari. It's a beautiful sari.
The minute I show it on video here, my sister is going to jump. Because this is my sister's sari. It's a pure net sari which has been dyed in orange with sequins work.
You mean mosquito net?
Yes, it is almost like a mosquito net if you can see. You can
Much
feel
smaller
it?
than that.
See, you can feel it, right? So this is something that my grandmother, my mother's mother, had gifted to my sister in her wedding.
Should we use it for a video?
She will throw you off the balcony. She's waiting for me to return this sari to her, and this is very beautiful. Never found something like this post that, and it was a worth buy. I
This
have
again
taken
is
it
pulled
her,
from
but
the
I will surely
archive,
return to her.
and it's. I hope you can see the whole sari.
Coming to another type, now this is for my friends with special needs who are like having physically challenged, who use a walker, who use a wheelchair. So there is this website called Magic Saris, and I picked up this sari from them. The beauty of this sari is it is a customized stitched sari. So basically it has a petticoat along with it, and you don't need to struggle when you wear this sari. For my physically challenged friends, this is a very good option for a sari because you can't stand for long hours to do your pleats, you can't stand to do your pallu. So this works very well. This I got it as a trial. I agree it's a little expensive, but it is worth it because it makes life very easy for that. You know, the pleats are stitched. All you need to is to wrap it around yourself. So I will tag them in the video.
Like this way.
No, it is wrap around. So like your lungi.
Waist.
Yeah, waist. So my physically challenged friends, please go and check out this website.
I know the image
It
is dark,
really very
but
good.
this
Their
is a
collection
close up.
very
It's an
good.
olive sari, and this is a kind of full length picture.
sari will stay with
Sure.
me till my grave. So this is the sari. Let me show it to you with the border. It's a plain blue satin sari with a golden border. I was not very fond of the color. I was not very fond of the satin. But this is the sari which made me win that crown that's right there behind me. So this is my Mrs. Chennai winning crown sari.
This is Chennai Shubho.
Yes, and they gifted this to me, and it is from then. This is my favorite sari ever because this sari always makes me feel confident. It gets me nostalgic. And
So this is
like
an
I said,
image
this
that we
goes to
quickly
the-
took in a break, and
So
this is the winning image where I'm wearing the crown and the sash with my trophy.
This is about it with my sari collection, the most important ones, and whatever information that I had about saris that I shared. So, did you understand anything there?
Yeah. No.
Quite a bit.
Yeah. No.
Okay, where is Paithani from?
Maharashtra.
Correct. Where is Uppada from?
Andhra Pradesh.
Where is Assam Silk from?
Assam.
See, so that's about it from my side in this video. I also have a Tussar Silk Kerala Mundu Veshti. I have to pull it out from right inside.
Yeah.
But yeah, even Mundu Veshti is a traditional Kerala set sari and it is extremely easy to drape again. So it's also for my physically challenged friends again that you can buy that and it's very easy to drape, easy to walk around in and easy to carry and looks beautiful as you all know. So that's about it from me now, and I
Me
hope
or us.
you can continue.
Like, share, subscribe. Hit the bell icon.
And also, I would like you all to put it in the comments below whether he has to buy me more saris and my collection needs to be broadened or no. And you can give him suggestions as to from where he has to pick up the saris.
Bye.
Bye. Keep smiling.